पाकिस्तान के मुस्तकिल मंदूब सलामती काउंसिल इजलास में आसिम इफ्तिखार साहब मुखातिब हैं। देखते हैं, सुनते हैं क्या कह रहे हैं।
Outcome of painstaking and arduous yet constructive negotiations. It charted a roadmap to comprehensively address the concerns of the parties involved by clearly defining their relevant obligations and responsibilities. The illegal use of force against Iran and the ensuing situation are likely to frustrate the ongoing diplomatic efforts and could destabilize a region that is already under very severe stress. The ongoing diplomatic contacts to reach a negotiated deal, IAEA and other endeavors to promote verification activities in Iran must not be allowed to be appended. The IAEA is highly regrettable that these attacks have happened and not when the IAEA was continuing. Israel has violated activities in Iran. IAEA statute and several IAEA's technical work by attacking the IAEA safeguarded facilities. In addition, Israel has violated violation of international law. IAEA statute and several dangerous negative by attacking the IAEA pose a grave threat to safety of populations. In addition to serious violation of international law, Pakistan as an immediate neighbor of Iran is setting a dangerous negative precedent. Security Council resolution pose a grave threat to safety of populations in the region and around the globe. Pakistan as an immediate neighbor of Iran is therefore seriously concerned. Security Council Resolution 487 strongly affirmed such attacks as a clear violation of the UN Charter, the norms of international conduct, and a serious threat to the entire IAEA safeguard regime. We call on all parties, Madam President, to fulfill their respective obligations and responsibilities and avoid escalation. Even in these testing times, diplomatic engagement and dialogue must be prioritized. Clearly, the international community is in favor of peace and stability in the region. In a few days, next week, the international community, the UN membership, to come together to express its will to chart the path for the Palestinian state as part of the two-state solution that would usher in the long-awaited, just, and durable peace in the Middle East. Israel's reckless and irresponsible behavior cannot be allowed to jeopardize the efforts for peace, endanger the stability of the entire region, and risk wider escalation, thereby threatening global peace and security. The Security Council bears primary responsibility to maintain international peace and security and to stop this aggression immediately. It must hold the aggressor accountable for its actions. This Council must deny Israel the free hand and the impunity with which it continues to operate in defiance of international law and international opinion. It is also our collective responsibility to reject any notions by anyone, anywhere, that seek to distort, misuse, and abuse the right of self-defense in violation of international law and the UN Charter. Finally, this Council must collectively muster the courage to take positions and adopt decisions that are in full conformity with the Charter of the United Nations. In accordance with its responsibility, the Council should encourage, support, and prioritize dialogue and diplomacy to advance peaceful resolution of conflicts. That is the only viable path forward, as many around the table have also echoed in their comments. I thank you, Madam President.
I thank the representative of Pakistan for his statement, and I now give the floor to the representative of the United Kingdom.
Thank you, President, and I'd like to start by thanking USG DiCarlo.
अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के इजलास में पाकिस्तानी मंदूब आसार की जानिब से गुफ्तगू की जा रही थी। उन्होंने कहा कि इसराइल ने ईरान पर हमला करके खुली जारहियत की है और इसराइली हमला आलमी क़वानीन की खिलाफ वर्जी है। इसराइल ने अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा चार्टर की खिलाफ वर्जी की है। इसराइल ने हमला करके ख़ित्ते को बड़ी जंग के ख़तरे से दो चार कर दिया है। पाकिस्तान ख़ित्ते में अमन इस्तेहकाम का ख़्वाह है। मजीद कहा कि इजरायली जारहाना इकदाम से खत्ते के अमन को नुकसान पहुंचाने की इजाज़त नहीं होनी चाहिए। सलामती काउंसिल इसराइल को बेलगाम ना छोड़े और हक़ दिफा की आड़ पर इसराइल मुसलसल आलमी क़वानीन की धज्जियाँ उड़ा रहा है और ईरान पाकिस्तान का इमीडिएट नेबर है, इसलिए पाकिस्तान को ईरान के मामलात में बहुत कंसर्न है और इसराइल ने ईरान पर हमला करके खुली जारहियत का आगाज़ किया है। इसराइली हमला आलमी क़वानीन की खिलाफ वर्जी है। इसराइल ने अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा चार्टर की खिलाफ वर्जी की है। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा का इजलास इस पूरी सूरत हाल के बाद शुरू हो चुका है और जिसमें मुख्तलिफ अहदेदारान जो है वो अपने अपने ममालिक के मौक़िफ़ से आगाह कर रहे हैं। इस मौक़े पर पाकिस्तानी मंदूब ने भी अब पाकिस्तान के मौक़िफ़ से आगाह किया और पाकिस्तानी मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार ने कहा कि इसराइल ने हमला करके खत्ते को बड़ी जंग के खतरे से दो चार कर दिया है। पाकिस्तान खत्ते में अमन व इस्तेहकाम का ख़्वाह है। इसराइली जारहाना इक़दाम से खत्ते के अमन को नुकसान पहुँचाने की इजाज़त नहीं होनी चाहिए।